Have you ever wondered why life presents us with endless struggles? Why we face challenges that sometimes seem insurmountable? Perhaps the answer to these questions lies in the simplest of nature's tales, a tale about a man and a butterfly. Once upon a time, a man found a cocoon of a butterfly. As days passed, a small opening appeared on the cocoon. Intrigued, the man sat for several hours, watching the butterfly as it grappled to force its body through the tiny hole. The struggle was real, and the butterfly looked as though it was stuck. Driven by compassion, the man decided to lend a helping hand to the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and snipped off the remaining bit of the cocoon. The butterfly emerged easily, but it had a swollen body and small, shriveled wings. The man waited, expecting that the butterfly's wings would soon enlarge to support its body. But to his dismay, that never happened. The butterfly spent the rest of its life unable to fly, crawling around with tiny wings and a swollen body. What the man, in his kindness, failed to understand was that the restricting cocoon and the struggle needed by the butterfly to squeeze through the small opening were nature's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly into its wings. The struggle was necessary. It was nature's way of preparing the butterfly for flying once it was out of the cocoon. This simple story holds a profound truth about life. Our struggles in life develop our strengths. Without struggles, we never grow, we never get stronger. It's important for us to tackle challenges on our own, rather than relying on help from others. The struggles you face today are preparing you for the strength you'll need tomorrow. So remember the tale of the man and the butterfly the next time you face a challenge. Embrace your struggles, for they are not obstacles but stepping stones on the path to growth and strength.